was like, oh, I'm 40. I could go a little faster. And I was like, oh wait, hold on.
Mark was like, she's out of frame already.
So we are here in Oxnard at Borla, and I'm really excited because I haven't seen my car in almost a month, and the car should have the exhaust installed. I didn't get to go here when Mark brought my car initially, so this is gonna be the first time I'm seeing this location and hearing my car, so stay tuned to hear more. All right, entering the gates. Oh, there's my car. Can we see it in the shadow? I don't think we can see it. It's okay. All right, guys, so we're gonna go inside, get a cold start. Really excited because they told me it's gonna be loud. All right. I'm really nervous, honestly, because I don't know what to expect, but I'm honestly super duper excited. Okay, ready? Oh my god! Wow! Oh, it's loud. Oh my god. Sorry, I got excited. You can definitely hear it mellow out. The cold start was definitely a good... Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That sounded amazing. So what do you think, Mark? I didn't get to hear what you thought.
Outside, it was super loud. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be that loud.
I know. I was not expecting it.
The idle's really good. Just the cold start is pretty dang loud. I approve. Alright guys, so I am now inside the BRZ. Vanessa's outside. I don't know if you can see her. She is outside. I'm gonna rev this car in her face. Gotta go?
Look at that. Wow, what a beauty.
What do you think?
No, I want to know what you think from the inside. Did it sound pretty loud for you?
Yes, but
Yeah.
I am fully satisfied with it.
Oh my gosh, it sounds amazing, and like I can't wait until like I'm on the road, being able to hear just like it just sounds beautiful. Like I think it sounds beautiful.
I think it does too.
Yeah, I definitely think they did a great job with R&D. You know, honestly, like they did a pretty good job. This actually, I was just talking to them. They were saying that this actually only took 3 tries to get to what it is right now, and it's pretty awesome. I think they did a great job without, you know, having to do so many tries, and it shows that, you know, the system even prior to that, for the previous generation was pretty good. There were just minor details that were adjusted to fit this current system, but overall, you know, I think
it is what it is. This
yeah.
is basically the slightly more aggressive but not too obnoxious exhaust version over the S-Type. So if you like loud, go with the ATAK.
Yeah.
If you like more of a, what do you call that, domesticated sports.
Yeah.
Because the startup on the S-Type is good. Like you could tell, like, oh, this is more of a sports car, premium sports car type sound. But it's definitely not gonna bark. It can.
It could. It was very close. I think like I heard a little bit of a gurgle. Not the pops yet, but honestly, like I'm really excited when we like fully put it onto the road and be able to just hear, especially as I'm switching gears, like that is something that I like. And also looking through, you know, if you look a little bit more into the ATAK, like the engineering that's behind it, it's really awesome to see like how they fully thought through the process and making sure that it's attuned specifically for this type of car, this type of vehicle, which is what I really appreciate. And I think I'm super excited, not just on the road, but also like I really can't wait until like I'm on the track. That's where I'm most excited for, to really hear that. And I don't know, just the feeling of
the driving experience.
Yeah, the whole driving experience is what I'm really going for here. But yeah.
So, yeah, time to do some drive-bys.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun.
Is this for the BRZ? Or your FRS?
We can't tell. Secrets.
Secrets,
Can't
huh?
reveal yet.
Oh, secret technology. God, that's a fat muffler.
It's a fatty. It's a fatty.
You know, sometimes size does matter.
In this case, it does matter. It absolutely
Fat
matters.
mufflers, better gains, brother.
Bigger gains.
Bigger gains. Oh, God. Can we fit it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I probably could have gone faster, but that was so much fun.
Alright guys, so we just finished doing a little cruise back down to San Diego. We had to stop in Irvine to end this video, but before we end this video guys, we wanted to let you guys know what we thought about the exhaust so far. And so far, as you guys know from our initial reactions with the sound, it's freaking amazing. It's loud, but definitely not too loud. And just driving it on the freeway and back home, the resonation and everything sounds amazing. There's not too much drone, so that's good. And then if you're trying to be low key or
not catch too much attention,
bring too much attention, you can always just maintain your speed, and it is pretty darn silent. So it is the perfect exhaust for the BRZ. The wifey is loving it.
I'm loving it a lot. And if you also still want more sound, it does have some crackles and pops when you downshift. It has been my favorite part. I wish we got some recordings of that, but we were just on our way home, ready to get home. So maybe we'll try to get more recordings of that next time, but definitely that was one of my favorite parts. And just, it is definitely a lot louder than the S-Type. It's louder than the previous generation. I think the previous generation that we had was still an S-Type,
Yes.
but it's so satisfying. I'm really enjoying it, and I want to thank Borla and the R&D team. They did an amazing job, and I was really glad that we were able to chat with them, learn a little bit more about, you know, the engineering that went behind it. Definitely appreciated that, and you know, hopefully we can continue to work with them and continue to, you know, share more videos of the exhaust. I really can't wait until we get to, you know, take it on the track, and it's just gonna be so much fun. I'm enjoying it so far.
Alrighty guys, so without further ado, don't forget to double check our Instagram for future posts and for the giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, keep on trekking. Peace out.
Bye.